Yo, it's Shabar with another video. Are you an endomorph looking how to get that perfect physique you've always been dreaming of? Then stay tuned and watch this video and I'll show you how. So what is an endomorph, you might ask? An endomorph is opposite of an ectomorph. An endomorph is usually heavy around the waist, and you have genetic factors to blame for that. So don't be discouraged that you're endomorph. Things can always change if you put the work in and work hard. But we have some bad news. I'm not going to lie to you. Endomorphs have the hardest time losing weight than any other body type. But the good news is you don't have to be on a treadmill breaking a sweat, because cardio doesn't lose as much fat as you may think. So to replace cardio, you can just do regular body weight exercises like push-ups, squats, burpees, and you can do sprinting to increase your explosiveness. Now, crunches, don't worry about it. They do not work for your body type. Crunches are meant to shape the abdominal muscles, not burn fat. Well, first, so you can bulk up your upper body, you first want to lose all of that belly fat. And then after that, you want to start off with intense training using weights and... Oh, hey there, are you subscribed to Jabari's Fitness channel? Well, if you're not, you need to subscribe now if you want more fitness tips and other fitness related content. So, what are you waiting for? Go subscribe and share with your friends. Now, endomorphs training is not a piece of cake. Oh, speaking of a piece of cake, no more piece of cake for you, because cake has fat, and it's not going to help you get that dream physique you've always wanted. If you want to lose weight and become fit, you have to stop eating the pastries and reduce your daily calorie intake to about 1,750 calories. In fact, the lower your calorie intake, the faster you can see some results in shedding all of that fat. But overdoing it is not a good thing. If you are eating less than 15,000, if you are eating less than 1,500 calories, and you're at the gym working out with some intense training, you are most likely going to pass out. If this is your first time here at this channel and you want to increase your knowledge about fitness, get more fitness tips, exercises for different body parts, start now by subscribing to Jabari's Fitness channel for more fitness content. Thank you for watching. See you later.